Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete photos from Google Photos step by step. If you no longer need a photo or want to free up space in your photo library, deleting it is quick and easy. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos home page, browse through your library and open the photo you want to delete. After opening the photo, click the delete icon at the top of the screen. A confirmation message may appear asking if you're sure you want to move the photo to the trash. Click Move to Trash or Delete to continue. The selected photo will be removed from your main library and moved to the trash. Now open the trash section to see the deleted photo. If you deleted the photo by mistake, you can select it and click Restore to return it to your Google Photos library. If you're sure you no longer need the photo, you can permanently delete it from the trash. Keep in mind that permanently deleted photos usually can't be recovered. After deleting the photo, return to the Photos section to confirm that it has been removed from your library, and that's how you can easily delete photos from Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.